Okay, here we go. Let's make a dinosaur, Marley. I'll put these two together. Maybe we can put this in here. Wow, look at the dinosaur you're making, Marley. Here we've got a nice body. Let's put some legs on our dinosaur and we'll put some front legs. You made a dinosaur? What type of dinosaur is it?
Oh no!
What type of dinosaur did you make, Marley?
The dinosaur. Oh no, I fell off. Fell out this time.
Can I have those two? Please, Marley? Can I have that one? Thank you. What dinosaur's Daddy made?
Montosaurus.
A what? A Montosaurus?
Yeah.
I think this is actually a Triceratops.
Daddy made Triceratops.
Daddy made a Triceratops, didn't he?
Mahayor.
You have a look at the Triceratops.
See? The
Let's have a
mouth.
look what we've got
And the
here.
horn. Then no basket time.
What was that? No basket time? You tell Daddy about the Triceratops.
No.
Oh, okay. We won't tell Daddy. Let's take this one off. And maybe... Let's get this one. And we might put this one together here like this. And we'll put this bit in here.
Daddy times Triceratops.
A Triceratops, isn't it? Let's have a look. Let's put this one in here. Some legs. We'll put some legs there. Let's put... Can I have that one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Whoa, look at that. Let's put a nice long tail. Maybe we'll put a shorter tail.
They're friends. They're
They're
friends.
friends. Let's just put... Oh, we might put... What else have we got? What can we put in there? We will just put this one in after all.
Tighten me, Daddy. Tighten me.
Trying to get you.
Yeah.
Do you know which one Daddy's made now? What type of dinosaur's Daddy made?
Brachiosaurus. Tighten me, Daddy.
A Wichosaurus? Yeah, what type of saurus is it?
T-Rex.
Oh, it's a T-Rex. I think this one's kind of a Brachiosaurus.
What,
I think the tail might be a bit too long for a Brachiosaurus. Let's just shorten the tail a bit.
Here. Tighten me, Daddy. Tighten me.
And try to get you. Let's put this tail in.
Tighten me.
And it might look a bit more like...
Tighten me, Daddy. Tighten me on the
That looks a bit more like a Brachiosaurus. This is a Brachiosaurus.
Tighten me.
Try to get you. Stomp. Oh, very fast Triceratops. Hard to get a Triceratops that is that fast.
Saddle. Hot saddle.
Oh, have a cuddle. Here we go. So the Triceratops and the Brachiosaurus are having a nice cuddle, aren't they, Marley?